Want to change your ringtone on iPhone, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change your iPhone's ringtone, text tone, and other notification sounds. Now let's get started. To change your ringtone on iPhone, first open your Settings app. Scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Here you can choose the sound that will play when you receive different types of notifications, including your ringtone, text tone, voicemail, email, and more. Choose the type of sound you want to change. Then scroll through the options to see which sound you want to use. You can tap a sound name to hear a preview of it. When you find one you like, tap it to select it. You'll see a check mark next to the name of the sound you've selected. Tap back to go back to the menu and choose sounds for other notification types. That's all it takes to change your ringtone on iPhone. Want to change your alarm sound? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.